Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am creating this video to give you some demo about my irrigation sprinkler system, that's fully automated sprinkler system that I created for my house, and which will give water to like whole area, not only in the backyard, also in the front yard, and fully automated. And I just spent only $334.56. So in this video I'm gonna show you what are the items I used and what are their cost and how I covered. This will, I believe this will give you some idea how can you do it for your home, so that you don't want to spend a lot of money. This is above ground, I'm telling you again, this is above ground irrigation system, so you can do it for your home. This will give you some idea. I'll show you like exactly how I covered the whole area. It is 0.25 acre in total, my backyard and front yard, everything. So I believe this will help you and you can build your own irrigation system instead of installing, because under the ground irrigation system it's very expensive to set up, and again you have to spend a lot of money for the service, because you have to winterize and you have to keep it open every time. You have to call them and they charge $100 each time. So let me show you, and I will give the price also, like how much I cost each item, and I will give you the total. First I want to start with this device. This is like I connected it to the hose outlet that are my home. This is the Malnor timer. It has four different devices, and it is it Bluetooth one, and it has an app. I already have a video on this, you can check out. So there are four line came out from this one, and I splitted actually my whole irrigation system in four different ways, so one by one, so that water pressure doesn't go down and it keeps giving water everywhere, and I can plan it like, oh, which area need more water and which area need less water and how many times, so I can individually set up. That's a very good one, so you can check out that video. And this one is, this one I purchased from Amazon for $51.73. So that's $51.73. So right now I just turned on the my backyard, which is number 3. So this is the pipe I used, and you can see this is giving the water whole area. Let me show you from the top, and that is like, now in my backyard it is giving water. So I have two orbit sprinkler in two different side, one and the other area here, and one is here. And so here I used two orbit sprinkler system above ground, and I used, so two orbit each costed me $16.97. So, and I also have two other orbit sprinkler system in my front yard, so total four, and that costed me 67.88. Right now for showing purpose, demo purpose, I am manually doing all this, but as I told you, you can use your phone like this one to start and end anything. Like, let me do the front yard. This is my front yard, I'm doing it. So you can heard like water started flowing. So this is my front yard sprinkler. Here I also used one more. So this is the front yard. I used this Costco pipe, 100 feet. This Costco pipe from from Costco, 100 feet, 300 feet pipe, and each 100 feet pipe is in Costco $27.98. So total $83.94, and that is covering the whole front yard. You can see and you can set the time, how much time you want. So you can see from here, and I don't want to get wet. And here I used my fourth orbit one, and this is my frontier number 2, which is moving in a very short area because that's the limit. I don't want to. And one of my friend asked me how to uh, fix it in one spot. So I'm I just want to tell you, using these two range button, you can put it in fixed. Like if you want to give water to a fixed place, you can do that. So this is my frontier. My frontier is totally covered. Now I have to show you my sides, both the sides. So friends, before I go to the sides, I'll let you know the price that I totally spent for front yard and backyard. Like its total is $255.75, and I used total um, 300 feet pipe and two 50 feet pipes. Two pipes of 50 feet and three pipes of 100 feet, and each and you can see how I do the piping, like here. And also I had to use one splitter for my backyard. You can see I splitted here, and all the pipes are now here. And friends, one thing, within a year your pipe will go under the grass. Don't worry. And if you like pipe it like this, it will grow under the grass. And only this spot I had to dig down just to move the pipe. So in total I spent, and one splitter, two splitter costed me $12.88. So each one splitter is $6.44. So in total for front yard and backyard I spent $255.75. That's full coverage of my front yard and backyard. Now I am going to turn on my side. So this is number 4. So I split it in 4 zones. So you can see now sides are now getting water. Since I have slope here, that's why I just put 2, and I am controlling with, like, I didn't put too much water, just trying to limit it to my area. This is side 1 and this is side 2. I have to adjust this one. This is side 2. So you can see, and this is the thing that I used is Eden multicolor above ground sprinkler system. This comes with 4 sprinkler and 50 feet pipe. So that costed me $49.98. Plus I have to use piping, this kind of extra tube pipe, half-inch pipe that I purchased, that 100 feet pipe, that costed me $17.85. Plus I have to use the irrigation fitting kit, like this kind of kits, connectors, all these connectors. That package I purchased from Amazon for $10.98. So friends, in total I spent, I write down everything, all the price I write down, $334.56. So $335, all full house irrigation system that I built by myself, and I am sharing it with you because you will get some idea how can you do your own one. And don't think that I just build it by just a second. I had to spend a lot of money to come up with this solution, like to cover the everything. And I started this project last year. I tried different things, not so, and I then come up with, I fixed with these items, and I think now it is stable and it is covering everywhere. So, and it's fully automated as you saw. So only $335 if you spend, you can do it. If you need more orbit, it will go little bit up, and if you then piping will go little bit, that depends. But this will be like you can minimal your cost, and that's why I'm sharing with you, so that you don't need to spend a lot of money. Already I did all the research, so I, so you will get some idea. That's the reason I am creating this video. Also I have plant, like you can see from here, I have garden for plants, and that's also automated. Also there is one more section over there, that's also automated, plus here, and that I made with only $65 14 cents. In my next video I am going to show you like how I made that, how I come up with that things, so that you will get some idea how can you do it for yourself. So friends, how do you like this video? Please let me know. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. That will encourage me to create more videos and share more thoughts. And if you have any thoughts or any suggestion for me, because I am also amateur, I am doing it for myself to save money and make the yard, want to make the yard beautiful. So please share your thoughts, or your, if you have any suggestion, please share with me, so that that will also enrich me and other viewers as well. That's all friends, have a good time, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.